Hey there, in this video, I will show you exactly how to fix Valorant unable to invite. First of all, open up the support.valorant.riotgames site. If you are unable to invite your friends to play with you, well, you have to be sure if the account you're inviting belongs to your region. If that's not a problem and you're still not able to invite them, so in this case, we have different regions on Valorant. Open Transfer FAQ site of Riot Games. Scroll down and find out what's a region of residence and what are shards. So your region of residence is the geographical area you live in. It helps determine details like your available payment options and currency, default language, and the shard you play on. Then get back to the Valorant site and search here for account management. After that, click on Submit a Ticket. Now you have to submit a request. Simply choose a request type. As account management, data requests, or deletion. To submit the request, you have to log in to your account. So let's go and sign in to your account by entering the username and password. Or you can tap to continue signing up with your Google account. Then choose your account and continue. After that, you will be able to submit a request for which you have to choose the request type. Enter the subject, description, and select your inquiry. Also, enter your login name and add attachments, then click to submit your request. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.